Parenting can be hard, especially during a global pandemic, which is why I'm so excited to show you all this new educational toy called the Goodtimer, which helps children make good choices and uses positive reinforcement. The Goodtimer is like a chore chart reinvented for modern families. The Goodtimer is super interactive and easy for young children to understand. What do you like the most about this?
The tokens and the lights.
So, how does this work? First step is to read the Goodtimer book that comes with your set. After your family reads this together, you will all be on the same page and then establish some house rules. For example, something that we struggle with, or that these two struggle with, my other one's over there, is bedtime, going to bed on time and staying in bed, right? Yeah. So when your child makes a good decision, like staying in bed all night, the Goodtimer will continue to light up green. In our home, when you get enough good time, you get a token, and each token stands for what? One piece of
candy.